Hey beauties, this is the third and final part of me making this bomb unit, this pink, magenta, rose gold, all that. If you want to see how I laid and slayed her, keep watching, loves. Hey, so I let her air dry for 24 hours, and now I am getting the rest of the moisture out before I start thermal styling her. Using a round brush. I like using a round brush because I feel like it allows more body into the hair than just a regular paddle brush. And now I'm on to the frontal, and I go back and forth with the frontal because I want to create movement. I don't like a lot of stiffness all the time. I like that volume. I want to be able to move my hair back and forth. So even when you're doing your natural hair, if you're wearing a blowout or something, if you want movement, when you're blow drying it, go back and forth, blow dry it in different directions so you can create that movement in your hair. Now, see how she flows back and forth? You know, like we in California, riding down the coast or something. I can part her wherever. I don't have to lay her down, which I'm probably going to end up laying her down one way or another after a little bit. But, you know, I want to be free to do what I want to do right now. So I want to make sure I have those options. So now I'm just sectioning her off, and I'm going to straighten her with my straightening comb. I really like this. It kind of protects me, protects my clients when I use this. It's pretty cool. You just glide her right on through like a regular old school straightening comb. Do y'all see these colors? Oh my God. When I tell y'all, I was dreaming about this color for months. So as y'all see right here, this is how I styled her to post her up on the gram. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Charlie_B_Styles. Now let's get to curling her up, babe. Yes. Because anyone who knows me knows I like some curls. And I wanted to show the dimension of the colors that I used within the unit. And with it being straightened, you can't always show that. So with these curls, you can see all the different colors just from looking at it head on. I don't have to move it too much or anything like that. This is what I call balancing work with being a mommy. Dance break time. My kids are the most important part of my life. Seriously. I was doing the most. They keep it 100. Yep, she sent me back over to work. Now let's get to the styling this frontal, honey. So as y'all seen, I've done under curls throughout this whole video. So I'm gonna keep that going towards the front, and because I really want drop curls for this look. I really like the drop curl look, and I've already added volume when I blow dried her, so I didn't need to do, you know, the big voluminous curls, because it was gonna add, I was gonna be looking like I was in a pageant ready to tell people how I want to save the world and stuff, y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna take some pretty big sections because the length on this barrel is pretty long. Like, I really like this curling iron. I mean, she's the ish, and she's by Ion. I want to set her in and spray her. You know, I'm prepping her for the gram, y'all. Comment down below and let me know which shade you're feeling the most. What combinations you may want to use, what combinations you want to see me use in the future. I wanted to comb her out so you all can see all the colors as they flow. Yes, honey. And if you don't know how to add a little volume real quick to your bang, just pull her back and then push her forward like so. Right now, it's time to attach her to my hair, darlings. Of course, I took some alcohol to clean off my forehead, let her dry a little bit. And I'm using Esha glue. I love this glue. Now, my first layer, I used quite a bit because I wanted to stick. My edges are covered, so we're all good on that note. And I'm taking this popsicle stick, for lack of a better word, popsicle stick, and spreading them out, making it a thin, even layer. And I also love this Esha glue because it dries very quickly, and also it does not leave a buildup. Y'all see how much glue I use, and I use 3 layers. Y'all gonna see it does not leave a residue. Like, I guess the other water-based, quote-unquote water-based glues aren't, or have more silicone in it, aren't as water-based as she is. Because when I tell you, there's literally, I'm gonna have to come on here and show y'all in another video how much there's no residue. Comment down below if you have to deal with that residue from Ghost Bond, Bold Hold, or any other on your lace. We already have to deal with certain things with maintaining our lace frontals, lace closures, and all that. But with Esha, oh my gosh, she is like super bomb. Now I'm going in with the second layer, and as you see, it's not as much glue as the first layer. And literally, it really took maybe 3 minutes for this to dry. I just didn't want to have y'all sitting here for 3 minutes. And if y'all see my face changing a little bit, I'm trying to do my makeup at the same time. Y'all see I only had enough time to draw my brows on before she dried up. So no contouring yet. Boom. And it's kind of cute that the packaging matches the glue when it first comes out. It's like a rainbowish. I don't think you can see it too well on this camera, but in person, it's like a rainbow color tint. Say what's up to Micah, y'all. Go check him out on his channel, King Micah. I'm trying to multitask. We had stuff to do this day, y'all. Do y'all see how fast this glue dried? I didn't even have enough time to finish really contouring my eyebrows before it got cleared. I just went ahead and said, let me do this. And I'm doing my third layer now, and I'm gonna be spreading her. She's all good. This glue dries so fast, and she sticks, y'all. She has a nice hold. Now it's time to apply her. I've already cut my frontal into 3 sections to make it easier for me to apply her. See how she just melts in? She's melting. Yes, honey. Getting these sides in. And everyone knows how it's really taboo to rub on the glue or your lace once you put the glue on, period, with your fingers. This Esha, when I tell y'all, like, she different. She's different. Like, I know that's the ultimate taboo to rub on the lace with your fingers, but you can with her. She not tripping at all. Alright, so we're getting these edges laid, get these sides down. I'm gonna have to come back and show you all another video, because if you wear lace frontals, you know the ears are something else. So I had to get up and take care of her for a second. Y'all see, I'm like in there with this. And I'm gonna show y'all another picture at the end of me wearing it in a different style, so you see like there is no residue the next day or 3 days later after, because I changed my part after 3 days and she was still laid. I'm cutting off the ear over here. And make sure you're not cutting the hair. Make sure you split the hair before you cut, so you don't have like just a layer of chopped off hair just chilling by your ear. That's not cute, sis. Not cute at all. OMG. I absolutely love this unit. I'm so excited about her. If you'd like a unit similar to this or just a custom unit for you, get on to charliebstyles.com and hit book with Charlie B. If you're just looking for some bundles, go ahead, girl. Go ahead and browse that whole website and order your bundles right now. Yes, honey. I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you so much. All right, beauties, this is about 3 days later. I styled her in the middle part, and as you see, her hairline is still on point. Yes, honey. Yes. So I truly appreciate you all tuning in. Make sure you tune in for more videos. Like, share, and subscribe. Yes.